Today's event is about pro bono, and it's about trying to encourage all of the state of Michigan, really, to take on pro bono cases, to get more involved. Judge Jarbo said it. We all know that we're very busy. It's difficult to take on large roles, but it is possible. I've done it before, our firm's done it before. There are moments when it can be a little stressful, but it's a wonderful, rewarding experience, and you just can't get trial and real life experiences that many other places than taking pro bono, where you can take a case all the way to trial.
We are admitting some of the strongest and most diverse classes that we ever have in the history of the college, and we're focusing very keenly on student success through creation of smaller first-year class sizes. Since 2021, our students have contributed over 100,000 hours of pro bono services, working under the guidance of our faculty in the clinic.
Tonight, honestly, is a really great opportunity for us students to come face to face with practitioners in law, judges, to hear firsthand about their experience in the courtroom, and really to just understand the importance of public service and how we can apply our legal knowledge that we take away from the classroom into the real world.
So when Judge DeClercq says trial lawyers don't get the opportunities they did a decade or more ago, she's not kidding. In 2023, there were 18 jury trials in the Western District of Michigan. Probably 2/3 of those were criminal cases. So if you're a civil practitioner, the chances of you getting to trial in the Western District of Michigan are slim.
I think it just demystifies a lot of the mystery that exists sometimes around law. Law sometimes seems to be very elusive. Me being first generation, it's not something that I'm super familiar with. More of my familiarity is being on the other side, right? Being on the side that is looking for pro bono representation.
Obviously, everyone can imagine how difficult it would be, especially the students who are learning, all of the ins and outs of practice and procedure. And can you imagine if you don't have any law education and you're trying to do this all yourself, and this is such an impact on your life?
What inspired me to come to law is two things. One, my mom. My mom, when I was younger, she placed me in front of Law & Order SVSU, and I would just watch that on the regular. But also my dad, who recently just passed away around the 4th of July. My dad was incarcerated for a period of time, and I really wanted to understand the criminal justice system. And so between understanding the Law & Order from the television screen, but also understanding how it impacted my family personally, I really just wanted to pursue justice, not only for myself individually, but for other families like mine.
In my particular area, there are always unrepresented grandmas, aunts, relatives of the children who have found themselves in the foster care system that would be really desperately need representation and call us on a regular basis that we don't have capacity for.
I am excited about the next generation of Spartan lawyer leaders who are committed to providing access to justice for citizens in the state of Michigan and beyond.
Go green.
Go white.